Hello guys, so yeah, I was exponentnwachae again today, and I found this new site for earning crypto. You can get now. This site allows you to mine crypto. You can see, and you get referral from it also. Before any further ado, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and give this channel your turn notifications so that you keep on getting awesome videos like this from me. Okay, so now you see the mining speed, the different values for the mining speed here. You can see the weekly income. This is without any referral or getting a referral bonus. So yeah, you can see many questions and answers here if there's anything you need. So now this is, it has a trading integration here for those who want to trade Bitcoin. So you can see, you can try the trading crypto. It said these are the coin here. So it said follow for profits. So I require you follow them. So you can just check out this platform, like it really pays a lot. You can see. So you see the wallet. Then you can deposit from this. For you to add the coin, you click on more wallets to add. Then there's the exchange bar. So I recommend you start off with this new site. The description is below. Okay. So now when you want to do this, you see the activate mining power here at the beginning. So you're just going to click on that, and that's this rules up. So you perform the verification. Then you start. So minimum withdrawal is 10 USD. So when it starts, when you want to withdraw it, you click on withdraw. Then you're actually putting your USDT Bitcoin address. So you click that up. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.